Welcome back! Let's reinforce what we've learned with a lot of practice. First, we'll work together to find the linking sounds, then we'll practice them as usual. Are you ready? Let's get started. Please look at this sentence. Can you see where we link words? Pause this video if you need to think about it and start again when you're ready. There's a link of two consonants, s in it's and s in so. It's so. And another link of two similar consonants, d in good and t in to. Good to. It's so good to see you. Now, let's practice together. I'll say the sentence twice. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, here we go. It's so. Good to. It's so good to see you. Why don't you give it a try? It's so good to see you. Please try it again now. Let's try another sentence. There are two links between the consonants and vowels. Can you see them? In this sentence, we link t in cute to e in. Cute in. And z in pictures to a in online. Pictures online. She looks very cute in the pictures online. Please say after me. Cute in. Pictures online. She looks very cute in the pictures online. She looks very cute in the pictures online. Please give it a try. Let's do another one, shall we? Which words can you link? Pause this video if you need more time to think. T in don't is linked to y in you, don't you? And we omit one of the two t between next and time, next time. Why don't you join me next time? Now, please try saying the links and the sentence after me. Don't you? Next time. Why don't you join me next time? Why don't you join me next time? It's your turn now. What about a longer sentence? Can you see where we can link words? This sentence contains three links between consonants and vowels. This is with its own. This is the master bedroom with its own bathroom. Okay, now please practice with me. This is with its own. This is the master bedroom with its own bathroom. This is the master bedroom with its own bathroom. Please try it now. Here's another sentence. Can you see where we can link words? First, you can omit the t sound in kept and say kept walking. Then link the consonants to the vowels as in walking along, river and, found an old. They kept walking along the river and found an old castle. Now, please listen and repeat after me. Kept walking along. River and. Found an old. They kept walking along the river and found an old castle. They kept walking along the river and found an old castle. Please try this one now. Only 2 sentences left. Keep it up and try a really long sentence. How many linking sounds can you see? There are 6 links between consonants and vowels. Ordered a, glass of orange, juicened a, and piece of. He ordered a glass of orange juice and a piece of cheesecake. Okay, let's practice saying them. He ordered a glass of orange juice and a piece of. He ordered a glass of orange juice and a piece of cheesecake. He ordered a glass of orange juice and a piece of cheesecake. Please try it now. Okay, here's our last sentence. We have a lot of linking sounds here. Can you see them all? All of the links are between consonants and vowels. Lemons and oranges are. Not available in. Lemons and oranges are not available in fall. Let's practice together. Please say the sentence after me. Lemons and oranges. Not available in. Lemons and oranges are not available in fall. Lemons and oranges are not available in fall. Your turn now. You did it! You finished day 31. I hope that you are more comfortable about linking sounds now. But if you need any more practice, feel free to replay this video as many times as you need. If not, I'll see you in day 32. See you there. Bye!